Africa as a continent was founded on the principles of Ubuntu. And as years go by, Your Excellency, Africa as a continent, and Kenya in particular, has continued to engage across the board, beyond the boundaries of our communities, beyond the boundaries of our tribes, and as such, Your Excellency, communitarianism still has a place in the society of Kenya today. Your Excellency, with a lot of generational transitions that we experience, Africa as a continent, through the lenses of many countries like Kenya, Your Excellency, has continued to be defiantly communal and unapologetically youthful, Your Excellency. The young people seated before you, Your Excellency, is a clear proof, Your Excellency, that while other continents are battling aging crisis, Kenya is blessed to have a large part of our population being the young people, Your Excellency. And we appreciate that you, Your Excellency, have extended a platform of mentorship and support to guarantee continuity and growth of our country, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, volunteerism is a better breeding ground for communal resilience, for love, for empathy, for communitarianism, Your Excellency. And the activities, the actions of these young men and women who have been mentored through this program that you graciously patronage, Your Excellency, is a better proof that this platform acts as a springboard for national roles, for continental roles, and even regional roles for some of these ladies and gentlemen are seated here. In my conclusion, I wish to appeal to each and every student in this program here present and beyond, that may we continue to hold each other's hand. May we continue to embrace each other. May we always find it in our heart and mind to always be the true face of Kenya. May we, with the exposure that we have had, continue to breed positive thinking, positive alignment of our thinking. May we continue to breed mind education, the spirit of volunteerism, and always wish to see Kenya a better place. I am sure this program makes you better ambassadors of our country. And I pray that through all of us here present, Kenya shall continue to be a better country for us. And this platform will bolster you to take charge of responsibilities and roles that you are prepared the ground for.